Ollama versus ChatGPT, which AI assistant is better, explores how choosing the right AI assistant can enhance your productivity without sacrificing privacy or flexibility. We'll briefly look at both Ollama and ChatGPT to help you decide. Ollama and ChatGPT are powerful AI assistants designed for natural language tasks. The core difference lies in Ollama's focus on local, privacy-conscious AI models versus ChatGPT's cloud-based, versatile conversational AI powered by OpenAI. Ollama is an AI assistant platform that enables users to run large language models locally on their own devices. By leveraging efficient model architectures, Ollama allows private offline AI usage without sending data to the cloud. Its core strength is privacy and control, ideal for users who prioritize data security and want fast, on-device responses. Ollama supports multiple open-source models, offering flexibility in customization and deployment. However, it requires a compatible device with sufficient hardware resources, which may limit accessibility for casual users or those without powerful computers. Ollama is best suited for developers, privacy-focused professionals, and enthusiasts who want to harness AI capabilities without relying on external servers. ChatGPT is a cloud-based conversational AI developed by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like text across a wide range of topics. It works by processing user inputs on powerful remote servers, delivering versatile and context-aware responses instantly. ChatGPT excels in accessibility, requiring only an internet connection and a web browser or app. Its strengths include continuous updates, extensive training data, and integration with various applications for tasks like writing, coding, and customer support. The main limitation is dependency on internet connectivity and potential privacy concerns, as data is processed on OpenAI's servers. ChatGPT is ideal for everyday users, businesses, and creators who need a reliable, high-quality AI assistant without hardware constraints. Ollama and ChatGPT serve different user needs through distinct approaches. Ollama offers local AI processing, ensuring data stays private and responses are quick on compatible hardware. This makes it perfect for users valuing security and offline access. ChatGPT, on the other hand, provides a highly polished, cloud-powered experience accessible from any device with internet, ideal for those seeking ease of use and broad functionality. The trade-off is between Ollama's privacy and hardware requirements versus ChatGPT's convenience and continuous improvements. For example, a developer working with sensitive data may prefer Ollama, while a content creator needing fast, diverse AI support might lean toward ChatGPT. Choose Ollama if you need a privacy-focused AI assistant running locally, with control over your data and the ability to work offline on capable hardware. Opt for ChatGPT if you want a versatile, cloud-based AI assistant accessible anywhere, with constant updates and broad application support. Both platforms excel in their domains, so your choice depends on your priorities between privacy and